So due to the coronavirus quarantine, I'm going to show you how to change the spark plug as well. I've already greased up my A-arms with my grease gun. And yeah, this is just to keep busy. Put some love into the bikes. Let's go. Let's get started. So to change the spark plug on a YFZ450, you gotta take off your gas tank, which is right there. Top plastic. And I have the K&N filter off because I'm going to be deep cleaning my bike. But to change the spark plug, it's quite easy. This is going to be a 5/8. Make sure. Yep, 5/8. You put it in here, and that's how you take off the spark plug. And once you're sure it's loosened up, get the suction, put it in. It should come right out. It's not loose enough yet. There it is. Take a look. My camera died, so in continuation of changing a spark plug, you need to take off the top lid, gas tank. I already cleaned them too before I put them back in the bike, and then the spark plugs. My bike backfires. I think it's running a little rich and it looks a little burnt, so I'm gonna need to mess around with the carburetor. So here's a new spark plug. I'm gonna be throwing that in right now. So out with the old, in with the new. So do by hand to tighten just a little bit, and then you want to tighten it not too tight. So I'm going to tighten it just about there. Not too tight, you don't want to over tighten it. Put this back in, and pray she starts. Make sure you did everything right. I took out my battery, so I'm definitely praying it starts. So you can tell right here. So after changing the spark plug, I cleaned the bike up a bit, best I could. I'm still going to clean the motor up. I cleaned up the spark plug, took out the battery, cleaned up it around there. It's still really dirty, but I'm going to give it a good wash. And I changed the spark plug. I cleaned the gas tank. I'm going to throw everything back on, and I'm going to try turning it on. I'm actually going to be cleaning the whole entire bike with Purple Power. See if it works, and if it does, I'll definitely recommend it. But let's see how this goes. So this is me putting the gas tank back on. Oh, before I forget, I have to connect the line.